Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to a brand new video on Tkinter. In today's video we will be learning about text boxes or entry as they called in Tkinter, and the primary goal of text boxes or entry is to provide a way for the end user to provide information to the application for processing. For example, provide age, maybe enter email, anything that the user need to enter for the application. So let's get started by creating an entry. And to create an entry, well, basically first we need a name. So I will give it a super creative name, which is text input, and the text input will be an object of the class entry. Now, as always, we need to provide the parent window and then give it some width. So width could be 30 is good. And finally back, so that our text input will be shown in the window. So back, let's run it, and here we go. Here's our text input, and we can provide any data we want into the text input or entry. So you can see we have that now, but wait a minute. How can we take this value? For example, I provide the name, so this is my name, and click on this button and display it in this label. Let's try and do that. Well, to do that, first we need to understand something called Tkinter variables. Now, these variables, we know that Python generally is a dynamic typed language, so the type assigned at runtime. But with Tkinter, we need to assign a type for the variable beforehand. So we have special type of variables, and for this case, since it's a name, it's going to be a string variable. So I will name it name will be tk dot string var. Now this string var, we gonna attach it to this text input, and the way we do that, we say that text variable equal to name, simple. So now to take this value or to take this name and display it, well, we need a function such as this one here and attach it to the button. So once we click the button, we take the value and assign it or display it in the label. To do so, first I need to make this declaration before the function and before button, and then I will say that label.configure user name will be something like name. So it's this one should be here too, name dot get. Now let's try that and run. So hopefully it will work. So here we go. Click me, user clicked me. No, wait a minute. The user clicked the button calls the function clicked, which says configure username, so on. Oh, I did not save the file, so I need to save it. And now do this one more time. I have two now. Okay, I am missing something up here. Yes, I have this from previous code. Let's remove that. Run one more time and This kind of errors happen all the time. Again, I did not save the file, so it's using the last saved version of the file. So doing that right now, I will type my name. Now it should work, and it does work perfectly fine. So username is Abdul Nasser. Now you can also add numbers if you want, but numbers, since we are using a string variable here, these numbers will be treated as strings, so be aware of that. If you want them to be treated as numbers, you will need to use, instead of string var, use int var. So that's it guys for me in this video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.